Hold up. Gotta make sure ain't nothing out there. Alright, go ahead. Here, big ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. So, oh, too close. So today, I got a new mod, the first performance mod for the Subaru. Alright, the Subaru ain't got no, it has no mods other than, you know, the speakers, the amps, and everything on the inside. The only performance mod is the nameless cat bag, but it don't do nothing but make noise. But you know, over the pandemic, player copped the AP, which it was the watch, not a watch. See, you got the little access port. Finna show y'all how to install it. I wish it was the AP watch, but you know, it is what it is. Coronavirus. We ain't eating like we was. Cool. Grab the light. So first thing is first, we have to hook up the AP. The only connection it needs, you have to hook it up to where you see where the red and the yellow wires is. That's the OBD2. So I have to hook up to the OBD2. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time. Plug it in. Boop. We're golden. Cool, it's plugged in, right? And this is the menu you're gonna see. Look, I haven't even plugged in the keys yet. What I will do is close the door. Cause we don't wanna kill the battery. Go through, hit OK. And it's gonna say install. If it don't say install, it's primary. You didn't got scammed, got ran for the money. We'll go ahead and hit install. It'll say please wait while the Accessport initializes system, verify it is on. So now we need the keys in to on. 1, 2. It is on. Then it'll say please verify. Confirm. Please confirm that your vehicle matches. That is this vehicle. This is a 15 WRX. Manual transmission. Loaded and verified. So now it's about to back up the map. And now we have to choose. Turn the lights off. And now we have to choose a map that we want to put onto the vehicle. So what I'll probably do is, because here in Ohio we got 93. Alright, bet. So then when you load up the AP, about to have a whole bunch of different maps. You're gonna have to go on the like Cobb.com and look at all the different descriptions of the map to see which one best fits the vehicle. So from what I've seen, stage 193, we were 93 in Ohio. And this is version 360. So this is what we're gonna go for. Boom. Hit that like that. And it's gonna say, warning, installation of this Cobb Accessport over anything other than OEM or Cobb may cause result in ECU failure. Please contact for support. That's that phone number if you need it. Then your battery charger is recommended. We got 12 volts. We turned off everything, so we'll be Gucci. It's gonna say please wait. And it's gonna slowly update. I mean, it's gonna take a minute. No cap. It's going like 1% a second. Y'all not gonna have to watch that. Cause with YouTube Magic, you know what I mean? It'd just be like, it's like, yo, I thought it was map. I thought the map was gonna be uploaded. The YouTube Magic failed. Cause right now it's saving the factory ECU data. So then while it does that, I'll come back if it goes to a different screen. Alright, yo, the camera died. The G7X died. So, went to 100. Saved the factory settings and whatnot. Then then it came to another screen and said, make sure it's plugged in because it's finna do this. So then now it's just slowly updating the, the new map, essentially. The stage 193 from Cobb. So basically, I'll come back when this say 100 because there's no point in y'all waiting for this whole time. But we're almost there. 100. So there's not. Please turn and leave the ignition off to begin vehicle reinitialization. All right. So the next, you can't see nothing. Turn the light back on. Take the keys. You just go off like that. All right, cool. So the ignition is now in the off position. We're just going to hit continue. Now with it off, it's going to reinitialize the process. Complete the reflash process. The vehicle must remain off for the entire duration, or the reflash may not fully complete. But it's going real fast. It's going faster than what the upload is. Boom. Please turn the ignition to the on until the Accessport can begin to reset. The reset procedure. So now we go back. Back on. To continue. Resets ECU learning. And this is real time. For this portion. And it says installation complete. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. Go ahead, boom. Right, so then you gotta count. Spend 15 seconds. Just go ahead and hit OK. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. We already did that. Oh, shit, what I do? Cool. So now it's paired. You know, you have your performance, troubleshooting, tune, uninstall, gauges set up. But I mean, I honestly, the tune's done, right? No, loading. See what she had before. Decent stuff. Cancel. All right, cool. So the Accessport is now installed. Next time. So now it's installed. The next time I drive the car, I'll make a video to see if I can feel a big difference or not. I probably won't leave the AP hooked up because, even with the gauges, I'm not going to know if it's doing something weird, like the dam's off or something. I mean, what am I going to do with it? You know what I mean? And plus, I have the Maestro hooked up to the radio, so now I can just monitor everything just from the radio. So I won't have to have this dangling here like most people. I really don't know why people run it the whole time like, oh, I'm going to switch my tunes on the fly. No, you're not. If someone pull up next to you at the light, there's no way you have enough time to change the tune on the fly like that. You're getting burnt, right? So, yeah, next time I get in the car, you're going to see me. I'm going to let y'all know how it is. So now, today's the first day that I'm actually driving the Subaru on stage 1. Sorry if I sound groggy. I just woke up. No cap. I got somewhere to be right now. So right now, this is the first time I'm driving a car on the stage 1 tune from Cobb. You seen like in the last early portion, I went ahead and installed it, but I never started the car because it was at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I was letting the dogs out, decided to do it real quick. Today is the first drive. So far, so good. The car is still working. Shit didn't blow up. But the main difference I noticed off the bat is like the throttle map, the throttling. Because you know how if you have a 15 plus Subaru, you probably know what I'm talking about. So if this was like the full range of like the gas pedal, right? So this would be like 50% throttle. This would feel like, this would be, you know, full throttle, right? Anywhere like between like, I don't know, you say like a quarter and half, that would be pretty much full throttle for the car, for whatever reason. So then you'd be hitting the gas for like at like 50% throttle, then you go to punch it. You know, there's no more juice. That's it. It's dry. And now it feels like there's you got a whole range of, you know, not range of motion, but the map is more, it's like more linear. I think it's a term to use. Yeah, I don't have the access port on me. So supposedly this map is supposed to be very conservative from Cobb, and it's supposed to be a little bit more faster, but I don't think it's enough to really notice, to be honest, because they was claiming like 10 wheel horsepower, and like I don't think I'm gonna notice it. It was a Cobb. See, I'm gonna do like a little second gear pull and just see what it feels like. I ain't go cap. It feels a little faster, just like a little bit. You know, it ain't like I'm you know, finna do no 10s in a quarter mile or nothing, but oh, I just want, you know, across the street. Nah, the car feels better, and it feels like it was still pulling. That's another thing that I feel like it helped fix was the power band. So also in this car, you got power all the way until like, I don't know, I'll say like 5,500 RPMs. And the red lines are like, I don't know, 67, something like that. But between 55 and like 67, bro, it's a big power drop. You feel the car pulled and you feel it drop off. I feel like, again, the power is more linear and you got more to work with. And I didn't get to see what the air fuel ratio was on it, or what boost I got. All around, I think the map is good, and it's an upgrade from the stock tune. I can see why people don't like it, because it don't feel as punchy as like have like the low end and as punchy as the stock tune is, but I'd rather have the drivability be a lot better and have power all the way to the RPM range. And also, it ain't got the annoying rev hang no more. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more content. Drop a like, all that jazz. Follow the socials, you feel me? And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
So that you are, as it were, no longer carried away by your own stream of consciousness. You remain the witness, impassive, impartial, suspending judgment.